Hi, welcome everyone. Hope you are all doing good. Do you have kids? Are they getting distracted during online class? Then this video is for you only. Nowadays, computers are integral part of our kids' education. Also, online classes completely unavoidable, especially during this global pandemic. I have seen many kids are watching YouTube videos or looking at the social media sites during their online class. In this video, we will see how we can stop their distraction during online class and make them stay on task. You can also watch my previous video how to block the websites on Windows to block the unwanted websites permanently. In this video, we will see how to block the websites and apps at specified time intervals, like blocking the websites during online class and homework time, or you want your kids to use the internet and social media sites only for certain time limit. Now we will see how we can do this. Before that, if you are new to this channel, do click this subscribe button and also select the bell icon right next to it and choose notification as all. If you feel that our videos are useful, don't forget to like and share. It is surely big encouragement to us to do more videos like this. Go to Play Store, install Stay Focused app. Once it's done, click open. Now select accept and opt out of data collection option. Now select click to grant. Select Stay Focused app. By default, the usage access is off, but you should turn it on now. The same way, you can also enable the accessibility permission. Once you're done with the initial setup, come here. At the bottom, you will get Block Apps, Block Sites option. Now I am selecting Block Apps option. I gonna block Instagram app. Here you will get many options. Usage limit. In case you want your kids to use Instagram only 1 hour per day, then you can go with this option. If you want to block Instagram for next 2 or 3 hours, you can select this quick block option. I want to block Instagram only during the online class timing, so I am selecting specific time interval option. Select the days, come here, click this plus icon. You can set the timing here. 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. So kids can't access the Instagram app during this time. Once you're done, you can set the motivation text also here. Then click save. Now we will see whether we are able to access the Instagram app or not. See, the Instagram site got blocked now. The same way you can also block the Instagram site. Select this block site option. Now I gonna set the time. Once you're done, click Save. Now we'll see whether we are able to see the Instagram website or not. See, the site got blocked now. You can also track your kids' internet activities using this usage states and app launch option. How many hours your kid is using the apps, everything you can track here. How many times they have opened the app, everything you can track. Here there are three types of mode available: normal mode, lock mode and strict mode. Based on your strictness level, you can select any one of this mode. I have installed App Lock app to provide password protection to this Stay Focused app so that kids can't access the app and modify the settings without our knowledge. You will get the notification from Stay Focused app based on the internet usage. In case you don't want this notification, you can easily off. Go to Settings. Select Sound and Notification. Come down. At the bottom you will get Manage App Notification. Select Stay Focused app. Now I am selecting Block All. Never show notification from this app. See? Now the notification got disappeared. The same way you can do in your mobile also. Go to Chrome Web Store, search for Block Site extension. Select this Block Site extension, then click Add to Chrome. Select Add extension now. Now Block Site successfully got added to Chrome browser. Here you will get Block Sites option. Now I gonna block Instagram website. See at the top you can schedule also. Now I gonna set the timing. Select the days. Then click Set Schedule. Now we will see whether we are able to access the Instagram site or not. See, Instagram site is successfully got blocked. Even you can block the website using words also. See here, select this option block by words. Now I am giving only Facebook. Click add. Now we'll check whether we are able to access the Facebook page or not. See, Facebook also successfully got blocked. You can add up to 6 sites. If you want to activate password protection, then you have to go with premium option. Using this focus mode, you can set the time interval also. If you want to concentrate on your work for 1 hour, so after that you have to set break for 5 minutes, then you can set those timings here. So you can access the blacked site only for those 5 minutes. If you want, you can use this option also. But for kids, you can go with black sites option. Don't forget to enable the incognito mode so that you won't get this blacked site in incognito mode also. Go to this extension icon, select manage extension, then click details. Come down. Here you will get allow in incognito. By default this option is off, but you should turn it on. See, the page is successfully got blacked in incognito mode also. In case if you want to block more than 6 websites, you can go with this stay focused extension also. You can add the blacked site here. You can also set the maximum time usage for that blacked site. Active hours, everything you can set here. Hope this app and extensions are very useful to block the distracting websites. If you feel our videos are useful, don't forget to subscribe. Do share with other parents also. Next week we will meet with another useful video.